Hey, so if you're here surfing YouTube for a leftover chicken recipe, you landed in the right place, because I'm going to show you how to make Italian chicken salad. That's right, Italian chicken salad utilizing leftover chicken. So stay tuned. This episode is dedicated to all those sailors that ever served aboard USS Capodanno FF 1093.
Hey, while filming the last episode, right towards the end of that episode, I got inspired to go right into something else that was running through my mind. And what I'm going to make today in this episode is my take on an Italian chicken salad. See, yesterday, let me roll back just a little bit. Yesterday, I was messing around with my new Pit Boss Pro smoker, pellet smoker thingy-majiggy, and I made up two whole chickens in there. Got them in, stripped them down, pulled them apart, and basically we're going to have chicken something for the next couple of days. So while I was making the last episode, I'm putting this stuff together. I'm like, wow, okay, all of a sudden chicken's coming into my mind, and I can make a really cool Italian chicken salad. So that's what we're going to do. So if you've got leftover chicken, you went to Sam's and you get that good cheap chicken, what, $4.99 a chicken, if they have them. You can't go wrong with that. You're grabbing a couple of chickens for other things later on in the week. Keep this in mind, because this is good. Okay, so what do we got? I've got about 4 cups of pulled chicken here that I'm going to chop up a little finer. I've got some cherry tomatoes here that I'm going to quarter. Some fresh basil. I got some fresh parsley, and I got some of my wife's favorite hot, spicy, sweet Italian peppers. And then I got the mayo here. So we're going to go ahead, pull this all together, make this nice, creamy Italian chicken salad, and I might even roll it up, make like a little chicken salad lettuce wrap, and have it for dinner tonight. So, first things first, let me get these herbs all chopped up here. So I'm going to chop the basil and the parsley all at one time and then put it right up here on that corner. Because the last thing I want to do is cut up the chicken. So I'm going to just put a nice rough chop on this. It's smelling good already. Basil, parsley, 2 of my favorite things in the world. Get that. Move it right to the side. I'm going to go ahead and take my tomatoes. Just quarter them. Clean up my mess here, and I'm going to go ahead and put a rough chop on my peppers. Okay, so I've got my tomatoes and my herbs in this bowl over here. I'm going to go ahead and put the rough chop on my peppers. This is going to give it a nice sweet heat to my chicken salad. And that's it. Rough chop into my bowl. Clean my mess, we'll get into the chicken. Alrighty, onto the chicken. I'm just going to pop it all right on my board. It's already pulled apart pretty good, so I'm just going to go through it and just kind of give it a little rough chop. So if you can find a good buy on chickens and roast a couple, set them aside for the week, this is one of the things you got to be making, amongst many other things. But I love chicken salad, especially in the summer. Nice chilled chicken salad, either in a bun or on its own, or stuffed into a tomato. How many have had chicken salad stuffed in a tomato? I see some hands going up out there. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, that's it. We're going to take our chicken, get it into our bowl. Go ahead and throw other concoction in there, or herbs and our peppers and our tomatoes. Get this mess out of the way, and we'll get over here to mix them. Okay, now go in with a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. No salt. The chicken was seasoned well when I cooked it, so there's a little salt in there. And I'm going to go in with about a half a cup of mayo. There we go. Give this a good mix. You could smell this. You'd be taking this fork here and diving in before I got it all mixed, trying to get a taste. See if I can do this without getting it all over. I've done pretty good today. Haven't made too many messes. There we go. My Italian chicken salad. So I'm going to go ahead and let this chill for at least an hour. It's nice and chilled down, and then we'll get it out and give it a try. So we'll be right back. So what I did is I went ahead and put it into a nice metal bowl here so it chill a little bit faster. It's been about an hour. So now it's time to come out here and try this. And I think I'm just going to put it on this bed of lettuce for now. I am going to make a lettuce wrap out of it, but I'm going to taste it from here as is. Actually, let me pretty this up a little bit. Since I had some kebabs that I made earlier, we'll put one of my little caprese kebabs on here. And one of my refrigerator pickles. And there you have it. Italian chicken salad. So let's give this a try. Try to get the tomato, some of that pepper, and of course that chicken. To die for. A little sweet heat in there. Chicken's awesome. The mayo pulls it all together. You gotta make this. Got leftover chicken, whether intentionally or not, you gotta try my Italian chicken salad. Great for the summer. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly share. And right over there, go ahead and knock on my logo. It makes it much easier to subscribe. So until next time, thanks and we'll see you.